Introducing Freesound Terms of Use, February 28th, 2013, by Frederick Font. Hello, dear Freesounders. After almost 8 years of great sounds and constant growth, it has become necessary to define some terms of use for Freesound. These terms are intended to outline the legal aspects of Freesound and to clarify your rights as users, our privacy policy, and in general to protect you and us against incorrect uses of the site. By adding these terms of use, we have not changed the philosophy of the site. It is just a necessary step to keep on growing and improving Freesound. In order to continue using Freesound, you'll have to accept these terms of use. But hey, don't worry because they are not excessively long to read, and we have also created a friendly version of these terms, which makes them much easier to understand. Here is a brief summary of the terms. Uploaded sounds are released under one of the CC licenses you choose. Other content, metadata, tags, comments, etc. is provided as a CC0. Your activity in Freesound is public and can be seen by all users, except your private messages. You are responsible for your posted content. We, Freesound, keep your data confidential and apply security measures to keep this confidentiality. We, Freesound, don't warrant that all the data on this site is correct. We are not liable for information not posted by us on this site. We, Freesound, may remove accounts of users that do not comply with the terms or who do not behave correctly. Spam, offensive comments. We can use anonymized data collected from Freesound, statistics about sound, tags, comments, downloads for research purposes. You agree to receive email notifications from us. Thank you for your patience and understanding. We really appreciate the commitment.